Hey guys, found us back and we're going to do another scrapping video run. We've got a whole bunch of scrap right below my feet here that we got to load up. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi, I'm back.
And we're going to get this stuff loaded up and we'll show you what we get. Let's go.
Miscellaneous. Cat 5.
Romex. #1 wire.
Cat 5.
MX wire.
Drop cord.
Pop cans.
Drop cord.
Power supplies.
Heavy.
Another drop cord.
Transformers.
Electric motors. And a battery. Alright guys, so here we are all loaded up. So let's get going and see what we get. Okay guys, so we got the payout for load number 1. Pop cans, drop cord. 55 pounds of the Cat 5, 99 pounds of the electric motors for $17.82. That's why I just don't think it's worth taking stuff apart. 21 pounds of transformers for $4.20. $1.60 for that little battery, some #1 wire, some Romex. Got a total of $190, $182. So that's not a bad total. I'll take that. Alright, so we are back from round 1 and now we've got to get round 2 loaded up. This is mostly aluminum. There's some of the copper wire and some little bit of steel just from things that I've had to take apart. So let's get this loaded up and go see what we get for round 2. Yeah, I got one more tub of it. Looks like grass, but it ain't grass.
Yeah, I tricked by that myself.
Yep. That should be it for the video. I'm not going to take it apart. Go through it. That's all the aluminum. I think that extruded also just and I don't know what this back is. That's all extruded. It's all that kind of stuff.
Cast.
Okay, so we're back from round 2, and here's the total on that one. So that comm wire right there is the little spaghetti wire that's inside the data cord, so we had 18 pounds of that. Some junky computer wire had 127 pounds of steel. Plastic transformers, I have no idea what that is. what that's all about, but anyway. Some sheet aluminum, some number 2 wire, a little bit more steel was a piece we missed on the first time, a little aluminum breakage, sheet aluminum siding, a little bit more breakage cast, and some cased wire. That was some miscellaneous wire I had, for a total of $63.20 was round 2. So not a bad total for the 2 rounds. Thanks for watching my videos, and we'll see you soon.